Hello everyone, this is Mr. Frosty Winter Choreography for part 1. Now, part 1 is going to be all of choir A, so if you're in choir A, you will be doing part 1, and half of choir B. So choir B, you will be split up on this piece. So it will be all of choir A and half of choir B, and I will let you know who will be doing this in the post, so you know if you're the one in choir B doing part 1. Okay, so this is the choreography for Mr. Frosty Winter. This is probably one of our most challenging pieces we have. Let me explain to you how it works, just so we're very, very clear. Part 1 does their part all the way through, and then we repeat back, and part 2 does their part by themselves all the way through. And so you kind of have a time to do it by yourself. After part 2 does their part all the way through, then part 1 and 2 do it at the same time. And that's where it gets tricky. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just work on the choreography for part 1. All right, here we go. At the beginning, Mr. Frosty, Frosty Winter. Okay, so your jazz hands bouncing to the side, then circle, circle, and up. Okay, to your right. So, Mr. Frosty, Frosty Winter, why'd you have to come around? So why is just a shrug, come around. We were happy with the autumn, so now you go the other direction. Then you had to come to town. So pointing, then you had to come to town. Now, the next words are with your cold wind. So you're going to go up high. Oop, can't see my hand. With your cold wind blowing. Okay? So you're waving back and forth, except your arms are all the way up. Waving back and forth. Cold wind, your cold wind blowing. And all that, you're going to cross your arms. And all that,
Miss Anna,